Alan, it's the police. Just come down here and have a chat with me. Yes, middle level.
He's in the window? I thought he was coming downstairs.
He's still on the phone to police.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. Yeah. Alan! Thanks, mate. Hands up. Just come to me. Hands up.
Yep, I can speak to him. I'm on the phone to one officer.
Yeah,
now,
just
so-
jump off the phone for us. So we can have a
I'll
chat.
put him up now, sorry.
Good, mate. Alan Delaney, my name's Todd Finnegan. I'm a detective from Queanbeyan Police Station. You're currently under arrest for assault.
Yep.
You don't have to say or do anything unless you wish to. Anything you do, say or do will be recorded
Yes.
and may be used in court. Do you understand that?
I understand, yes.
Wonderful.
I've had a few drinks, but I do
We'll just chuck
understand.
these cuffs on you.
Yep,
Okay.
no worries.
And just so you know, we're wearing body-worn camera. It's recording our
Yeah,
conversations
cool.
through video and audio.
Can I just turn my phone off,
Yep,
please?
absolutely. I just chucked the cuffs
Not a
on.
problem.
All right.
I rang you guys up. I wanted
Yeah,
to be
yeah.
upfront with this, you know?
Yeah. You got nothing in you shouldn't know?
No,
Nothing
no.
sharp. Nothing's going to hurt
Nothing at all. No.
Oh, no.
I've got my keys on me if you
Oh,
want to go and check out.
Okay, so
Yeah, do you want me to get the front door pulled for you?
Can we just show up?
Yeah, sure. That's the laundry. That's the front door key. The screen door is unlocked. You just got to turn the top door and turn the handle, and you'll be right.
Can just one of you come up?
Sure, yep.
I'm just going to have a look, make sure there's nobody in here.
Yeah, no worries.
Nobody else in there?
No.
when you said you've had some drinks.
Yeah,
Tell me about
I've had quite a few since last night.
Yep.
I haven't really slept. I've slept about an hour today, and me and my mate were on it all last night from 2 o'clock until late now.
How do you feel right now?
I'm a bit woozy, but I'm coherent enough to understand what you're saying to me. Yeah.
Okay.
Just get take your shoes and put them in the up.
Yep. You want me to kick my thumbs
Yeah,
off?
just one at a time.
Yep.
Yep, this one.
Left.
Yeah. Happy with that? You alright?
Sorry.
You alright? I'll hold you. Next one.
Right.
Cool. Happy with that?
Do you want to sit under my thumb, sir? Sorry.
You alright?
I'm just trying to be
Yeah, yeah. I know.
cooperative, you know what I
we
mean?
Kick
appreciate
that
it.
on for us.
All right.
Thanks, mate.
How's Aaron?
We'll have a chat about Aaron when we get back to the station, okay?
I
Alright.
tried to ring him and everything.
Yeah. So we're going to walk over to the road.
Okay,
with the-
this one
Yeah,
over here.
just over here.
Mark postcodes.
Yeah, you've done the right thing.
Just felt really terrible, you know?
Alright, mate. Jump in there for us.
Okay.
We'll get you back in another chat, okay?
No worries, thank you. Sorry about this. I'm alright, thank you.